Search and place your hold through the library catalog as usual. Select Madras Pickup Locker or Culver Pickup Locker as your pickup location. When your hold has reached the Jefferson County Library, a staff member will deposit the item in the pickup locker already checked out to you with a receipt. You will receive a text message and/or email notifying you that your hold is ready for pickup at the pickup locker. This message will include a 5-digit PIN and QR code, either of which can be used to retrieve your item from the pickup lockers. When you arrive at the lockers, select Patron and either enter the 5-digit code from your text or email or scan the QR code. All lockers holding items reserved in your name will open. Retrieve your item and shut the door. The item is already checked out to you, and a receipt with the due date is included.